pass my life in purity,
and to practice my profession faithfully.
I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous,
And will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug.
and I will not take and knowingly administer any harmful drugs. Oh, I still have it in my heart. I will do all in my power
To maintain and elevate the standard of my profession.
to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession,
And will hold in confidence
and will hold in confidence
all personal matters committed to my keeping.
all personal matters committed to my keeping,
And all family affairs coming to my knowledge.
and all family affairs coming to my knowledge.
Prayers, no?
Affairs. In the practice of my calling, with loyalty,
Will I endeavor
will I endeavor
to aid the physician in his work
to aid the physician in his work,
and devote myself
devote myself
to commit.